Alright, so this is another video that we have on how to generate or find new ways of leads for a certain project or info that you need. So on this video we will be familiarizing and using answers.com, in which we can find all questions and answers on this site. It answers all types of questions that you have, and you can also answer questions from other people who are using this website if you have any idea or you have in any way knows what the answer for a certain question from any other users from this website. So I don't have you don't have to sign in or sign up for this page since it's a general page. So what we will do first is we will type on this search bar here. Let's say for example, we're going to type in or search for a keyword. Uh, okay, so let's try to search this keyword, renewable energy incentives, and see what comes back to us from answers.com. Okay, so you see a bunch of things here related to solar renewable energy, but what we are basically looking for here is not the ads that shows up here, but the answers below that, which is, say here, the articles. Okay, so there's one question, or there's one article here that talks about saving energy. So there's a bunch of other questions here that you can find. And on the search results, we have a few results here. The first one is where renewable energy is renewable. So let's try to open this result and see what we'll find. Okay, so alright, so what we basically are going to do is to try to answer this question. Since as you see here, we don't see any question or any answers from other users on this site. Okay, so we can see here some relevant answers though. But our main purpose for this video is how we will be able to answer these questions so that we can increase our vicinity over the internet. So I'm going to try to answer this question. This is how you answer it. You'll just have to click and answer it, and it brings you to a page where you can type in your answer. So let's see, where renewable energy is renewable. So you can just type in there any answer that is related to this question. So as for me, I want to put in my website that will be related to this, which is Solar City website link, so that it can direct the customer or the person who's asking this question can be directed to the website in which he will have more thorough answers on this specific question or this related question. So let me just type in my answer here. I'm going to direct them to our website. Okay, and you just have to spell check your answer without spelling mistake. Type in fast. That's not having this too much. Okay, and then we're ready to save it. And our answers are stored, and the answers.com. Okay, so basically we can go back to the main page that we are in earlier. Just go back to that page. There it is. Now it's signing up on. There it is. See, there are other questions here that you can answer so that we can address, or we can refer the person is whoever wants to have an answer this to our website address. Okay, so right now, in order for us to get an RSS feed for this specific article or results, we'll just have to go down here at the bottom of the page. You see here community, company, answers, properties, updates. So in order to get the RSS, we'll just have to go click on RSS. And it brings us to this page here, answers.com, and we can answer RSS feeds. And we'll just have, if you're not very familiar with it, you'll just have to go read up on the various options that you have to get the RSS feed. Okay. Let's try to go here. Let's see what's in there. The question here is, how can we turn weekly answer content into RSS feed to be used elsewhere on the web? Since what we're going to do with the RSS is we're going to store it to our readers so that we'll be able to see everything that are new articles or new results based on the word or the keyword that we search in or we ask for. We will be updated. So you see here, we can get the RSS by category, by contribution, by keyword. So basically what we did is we use it by keyword. So all we have to do is just copy paste it. Let's try to copy paste it. Let's go back to the page we were earlier. Okay, so this is the page. So as you can see here, that's basically what we just have to change is this one here at the end, equals renewable plus energy plus incentives. So I'm going to copy it here. It's the same thing we're using the Netvibes.com as our reader, so you will need to sign up for this and have an account so that we can use this. I believe personally that this is the easiest reader that we can use. for this specific situation. So I'm just gonna go add content again. We go to add feed, and this time we don't have an OPML file, but we have the website URL. So we just gotta paste, and as you can see here, these ones were the one that we need to go change. Let's cut it off, and let's go back here and just cut off this one. Incentive equals renewable plus energy plus incentive. So this is just the one that we need to copy and paste on our reader website URL. And so I got double taps, just to be clear. And let's try to add feed. And there it is. You just have to click the plus sign here so that it will appear in our dashboard. Now it's currently loading. And let's just add it to our page. Dashboard. This is another way of viewing. Dashboard. Okay. Now you can see here the new RSS feed that we have from answers.com. It's added on the SEO results, but it should not be the case. Should put it there. Answers.com. Have to change it. Close it. And there we go. So you see here, why does renewable energy considered renewable? Is nuclear energy a renewable energy? So our main task here is just to answer all those questions, and after we answer the question, we have to make sure that we put in our website address that's related to it, which is the Solar City and the Zoom Energy website link. We should put that in every answers that we will do in answers.com. So this is how we basically add answers.com RSS feed based on the question that we asked, or based on the keyword that we looked for in answers.com.